Hi, Assalamualaikum. What is variator diode? A variator diode is a type of diode that works in reverse voltage. It has a variety of capacitance with respect to the reverse voltage. It also means that the output of the diode depends on the input. The variator diode will be functioning in reverse voltage and a voltage-dependent semiconductor device. Variator diodes are also known as a VARACAP, wall cap, voltage variable capacitance or tuning diode. It is widely used in television receiver, FM receivers for electric tuning. This is the symbol of variator diode. The symbol of variator diode is similar to the PN diode. It has two terminals that are anode and cathode. At the diode, it has two parallel lines that represent the conductive plates of the capacitor. The gap between the plates shows the dielectric of the diode. The symbol above shows that the variator diode operates to store charges, that is, why it is always in the reverse bias state. When the diode is reverse biased, it will increase the width of the depletion region with the reverse voltage. We can change the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor by using formula C equal to epsilon A over D.
A for the area of the plate.
Epsilon is for permittivity of dielectric material.
Small letter d for the distance between two plates.
If we just change the distance between two plates, the thickness of the dielectric material and the others are fixed, the capacitance of the capacitor will also change. It shows that the capacitance of variator diode is varied.
Hello guys, so today for my part, I want to talk about the basic structure of the variator diode. As we can see in this picture above, we can see that two molybdenum studs are attached at the bottom and also the top of the variator diode. This will act as the cathode and anode for the diode. Next, I want to talk about the inside portion of the diode. So if we look at that picture, we can see that the P layers and the N layers are sandwiched among themselves at the top of the mesa structure, which is like a table-shaped structure inside the variator diode. Then two gold-plated wires are attached at the top of the P and N layers that are sandwiched between. So in conventional diodes, they are usually doped with impurities to increase the conductivity of the diode. But in the case of variator diode, they are not doped with those impurities.
The characteristic of the device variator diode. So first is variator diode act as voltage control capacitance. The variator diode is used in the place where the variable capacitance is required, and the capacitance is controlled with the help of voltage. So second, the variator diode has a high Q factor. This means on how effective the component to store and release energy. And third is the relationship between capacitance and reverse voltage. It's a non-linear graph. When the capacitance decreases, the voltage will increase. Fourth is the variator diode has wide capacitor range. It depends on area of the junction and width of the depletion region for a given voltage. And fifth is that the variator diode has a fast response time. This characteristic making them suitable for high-speed application. And lastly, the variator diode is more sensitive to the temperature.
Oh, understood.
To show the principle of variator diode, we are using multi-sim software. We create a circuit with multiple capacitor and resistor. Also, one fixed AC source and variable DC source. To simulate the circuit, we need to use block pointer to get this kind of graph. In order to show the principle, we are using two values of DC voltage, which is 0 volt and 50 volt. This varies make easy for compare the difference and what happens if voltage is increased. These two figures will show you what you need. From the value that we got, we can see when the voltage increase, the capacitance decrease and frequency also increase.
So for the last part of the video, I am going to talk about the application of the variator diode in electrical circuit. So you guys already know that the speciality of the variator diode, it can vary the capacitance inside the variator diode. So in this component, we are going to use that in certain circuits such as RF design. So I am going to talk about three applications, which are VCOs, which is the voltage controlled oscillators. The second one is RF tuning circuit, and the third one is frequency and phase modulators. So I think that this component is very vital to the circuits because of the capacitance varies. And I think that you can find this in machines such as radios and also audio receivers that are widely used in the electrical field. Thank you.
Self-reflection. Our knowledge about how a diode works and how important it is in electrical devices really expanded, and we really enjoy doing this task together. Our group members who were very supportive towards each other and really took our time to do the best we can do for this assignment. I love my teammates.